Yeah, I'm Ravinaka. Today we're going to watch the Drua women take on the Reds in the semi-final.
Fully mechanical habit, I think.
So long, we feel
Anyone for bubbles? 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 Come on. They got security saying you got a bin cup
Si Manal, si foto si Sianga.
Thank you.
Siapa nung tutong belang?
Thank you.
Mau ji, mana pilo? I'm good. How are you? Good. Sorry.
Please welcome you, McDonald's Fiji, Fijian Drua! You know it! It's part of the movie! What an Drua nation! It's halftime here at Churchill Park at the Fortress HDL. McDonald's Fijian Drua leading the Queensland Reds by 19 points to 5. One an elbow, girls! One an elbow! Drua nation!
Nice! Billy Drua! Main Drua!
Lead! Thank you, girls. Thank you. Coming out the field.
How did that not go out?
What an generation. What an move. Help us count this down. We will take this last donation. Remember, you're welcome on the field after the match. Just wait for the security. You can get on the field to congratulate the girls. Last scrum. Get ready to melee. And that is good down here in the fortress. Drua Nation. We are off to the grand final.
Somebody who loves me.
What a lovely Jasper! That is more high school! What a lovely Jasper!
Ladies that, you know, it's all nothing or go home.
Managed to sort the two derbies today and both won what?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it was the big job from the ladies and that gave me the gap to be able to score their tries, but it was all the team try.
The final here next week.
Next week. Yes, we're back.
Big clap up the level to all our family, our friends, and our numbers today. Hope you guys come in numbers again next week.